નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, કિશોર ગજેરા યુટ્યુબ ચેનલમાં આપ સૌનું સ્વાગત છે. આપણે અભ્યાસ કરી રહ્યા છીએ ઇન્વેસ્ટમેન્ટ અકાઉન્ટ ઇંગ્લિશ મીડિયમ એનો એક્ઝામ્પલ નંબર 12. From the following information, prepare 7.5% bond account in the books of Messrs Investors. એટલે rate of interest છે 7.5%. Number 1, dates of payment of interest 1st January 1/1, 1st April, 1st July and 1st October. 1/1, 1/4, 1/7, 1/10. 4 time interest received during the year. Second, brokerage is calculated 1/4% on the face value on purchase and sale transaction. Brokerage is 0.25%. Purchase હોય તો પ્લસ થાય, સેલ્સ હોય તો માઇનસ. Transaction during the year, date, face value, price, remarks. First, purchase come interest. Second, sell come interest. Third, purchase X interest. And fourth, sell X interest. Stock is calculated as per FIFO method, first in, first out. First of all, 1/3/21, 1 lakh into 97.5% is equal to 97,500. Purchase means plus brokerage. Brokerage on face value 1 lakh into 0.25% is equal to 250. 97,750. Come interest means with interest minus interest on face value 1 lakh into 7.5% into number of month before 1/3/11. 1 and 2 months interest 2/12. 1 lakh into 7.5% into 2 months 1,250 and balance 96,500 is the capital value. 96,500. Second, sell come interest 1/5/21. 12,000 into 98.75%. 12,000 into 98.75% is equal to 11,850. Sales છે એટલે માઈનસ થાય brokerage. 12,000 into 0.25% is equal to 30 and 11,820. Come interest છે એટલે માઈનસ થાય interest. 12,000 into 7.5% into 1/4 to 1/5 means 1 month. 750. Sorry, 75 only. 75. And the balance amount is 11,745. 11,745 is the capital value minus cost price. This is from opening balance and the opening balance is not given. જો ઓપનિંગ બેલેન્સ ન આપી હોય તો આ પહેલા પરચેઝ માંથી હોય એવું સમજવાનું. એટલે પહેલું પરચેઝ છે 1 લાખ. 1 લાખ એની કોસ્ટ પ્રાઇસ છે 96,500. તો આ 12,000 ની કોસ્ટ પ્રાઇસ કેટલી? 11,580. 11,580 and difference profit 165. Second purchase 1/9/21. 20,000 into 96.25% is equal to 19,250. plus brokerage, because purchase 20,000 into 0.25% is equal to 50, 19,300. X interest means capital value minus cost price, sorry પરચેસ છે એટલે કોસ્ટ પ્રાઇસ માઈનસ થાય ને આ પરચેસ ની કેપિટલ વેલ્યુ થઈ. હવે ઇન્ટરેસ્ટ અલગથી ગણીએ તો 20,000 into 7.5% into number of month, last interest 17,219, 7 and 8 2 month, 250, 250 is the interest. And finally second cell X interest 48,000 into 98% is equal to 47,040 minus brokerage 48,000 into 0.25% is equal to 120, 46,920 is the capital value minus cost price આ ફર્સ્ટ સેલ એ ફર્સ્ટ પરચેઝ માંથી હતું એટલે ફર્સ્ટ પરચેઝ 1 લાખ એમાંથી 12,000 સેલ થઈ ગયા એટલે 88,000 હજી આમાંથી હોય તો આ 48,000 પણ ફર્સ્ટ પરચેઝ માંથી હોય એટલે 1 લાખ એની કોસ્ટ 96,500 તો આમાંથી 48,000 ની કોસ્ટ કેટલી 46,320 and 600 is the profit 600. Finally calculated interest 48,000 into 7.5% into 110 to 112, 10 and 11 2 month is equal to also 600. Finally prepared investment account. First of all, debit side there is no opening balance. First purchase 1,321 to bank account into bracket purchase cum interest, face value 1 lakh, interest 1,250, capital value 96,500. After that 1/3 before 1/5 date of interest 1/4 credit side 1/4/21 by bank account interest received on 1 lakh into 7.5% into 11 to 14 means 3 month 1,875. After that 1/5/21 sells 1/5/21 by bank account into bracket sell cum interest 12,000, interest 75, capital value 11,745 and the profit 165 at debit side 1/5/21 to profit and loss account into bracket profit. After 1/5 and before 1/9 Date of interest 1/7/21 by bank account into bracket interest received 1 lakh minus 12,000 is equal to 88,000 into 7.5% into 3 months. 14217. 1650. After 17, 1921 purchase, debit side 1921 to bank account into bracket purchase X interest, face value 20,000, interest 250, capital value 90,300. After 19 and before 112, date of interest 110, credit side 110/21 by bank account, interest received 1,20,000 minus 12,000 is equal to 1,08,000 into 7.5% into 3 months. 2025. After that 112/21 sell X interest, credit side 112/21 by bank account into bracket sell X interest. 48,000 is the face value, interest 600, capital value 46,920 and profit also 6,600, debit side 112/21 to profit and loss account into bracket profit, and finally credit side 31st December 21, closing year 31st December. By accrued interest. Accrued interest is on 1,20,000 minus 60,000 is equal to 60,000. Closing balance 60,000 into 7.5% into 3 months. And the amount is 1,125. Finally, total of the debit side 1,20,000. Credit side difference 60,000. 31st December 21 by balance CD total of the capital value of the debit side 1,16,565, 1,16,565, and difference of the credit side 57,900. Total of the interest column credit side 7,350 and 5,850 is the difference to 31st December 21 interest and dividend account. Thank you very much, friends.